Hey YouTube, my name is Steve or Starmedy. That's how most of you guys know me as. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make money watching YouTube videos. That's right. I said how to make money watching other people's videos. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you that you're gonna make $1,000,000 and stuff like that real quick and stuff like that because I'm not a liar. That's right. A lot of you guys think that I'm a liar, but I'm not a liar, okay? Sometimes I do enjoy making, funny videos. Come on, my name is Comedy. So some of my videos are just comedy. Some of my videos are serious and stuff like that. I like to mix everything, My channel is like Comedy Shots Gamers channel. Sometimes he got skits. Sometimes he got reactions. Sometimes he got trolls. Stuff like that. No, anyways, let's get to it. The first thing you have to do is just get a phone. If you don't have a phone, then too bad, you can download an app. So yeah, the first thing I want you to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So let me see if I can find mine. Mine is always hiding somewhere. I have no idea where it is. Yeah, the first thing you have to do is just go to Google Play Store. After you go to Google Play Store, you gotta search. On your Google Play Store, you gotta type in make money watching videos. You see it? It's the first one. Make money watching videos. And then you click on it. And then you're gonna have all these apps. Okay? I have this one. It's called On Money Videos app. That one. That's the one I'm using right now. I already installed it. And then you click open. Okay? And then so far I have earned $2.04. All you have to do is just click earn. Okay? And then you can either install this to earn 2 cents or whatever. Or if you don't want to install that to earn the 2 cents, you can just click next. And then you can click again earn. And then if you don't like that, you can click next, earn, next, earn, next, earn, next, earn. And then you see the video? There's the video. And then you can click watch. And then it's gonna go on YouTube. And then you have to watch that video. Like that. Okay? And then after you're done watching the video, click back. Like over here. Back. And then you're gonna earn the amount of money which they said you are gonna earn if you watch the video. Mostly 5 cents, 2 cents. And then when you do it all day like that, you can earn up to $500. Not a lie. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name is Steve. If you want to make money just watching videos, just go on Google Play Store and search it up. And you're going to see a lot of apps. You can do the same thing. I remember yesterday, as you saw, I have the app installed. I made $500 quick. No problem. I mean, it took a lot of effort. It's not like a scam or anything like that. So you have to work hard to earn money.